Hi, everybody. My name is Cynthia Kane, and I am one of the librarians at William Allen White Library, Emporia State University, and I'm also the librarian liaison for the School of Library and Information Management. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find, access, and use a database that you're going to be asked to utilize for several of your SLIM classes, and it's called the Encyclopedia of Library and Information Sciences. So to find this database, the first thing we're going to do is go to our library's homepage. Now, the quickest way to go to the library's homepage when you're just starting from scratch is simply to go to library.emporia.edu, and that will take you directly to the library's homepage. If you are already in one of your Canvas courses for SLIM, though, you would see a link toward the left of the screen that would be labeled Libraries and Archives. And in that instance, you could just simply click on that link and you would be prompted to open the library's webpage in another browser. You can always also get to the library's webpage by just going to www.emporia.edu, scrolling to the bottom of your screen, and clicking on the link that says Libraries and Archives. Now you'll notice on the library's webpage that our chat reference service is up and running. We're not going to use it for today, but I want you to know that that's always available to you if you have a very quick reference question about how to find some information or perhaps finding the full text of a journal article, and we're happy to help you with that. So for the Encyclopedia of Library and Information Sciences, the easiest way to think of this one is that it is simply another database. So rather than searching here under our Discovery Search tab for that title, it's actually going to be easier for me to go to the Databases tab. And normally I would have you go to All Subjects under this drop-down menu and scroll down to Library and Information Science, and that is where you're going to find a lot of our different library and information science databases. You can do that to find the encyclopedia, or in this instance, we already know the name, so we can just go directly to the letter E, and we can scroll down until we see the Encyclopedia of Library and Information Sciences 4th edition. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Now, I am doing this tutorial at home, and the reason I'm doing that is that I want you to be able to see exactly how you would log into this database when you're logging in off campus, perhaps in your own homes. So I'm going to use my BuzzIn username and password. And we'll sign in. And it's authenticating me as being affiliated with Emporia State University. And we'll let that load. And there we are, the Encyclopedia of Library and Information Sciences, 4th edition. Now, one thing I need to tell you about this one, this is a little bit different. There really isn't a good searching interface for this encyclopedia. The reason I say that is that when you're looking for a known item, such as the exact article, the exact title of an article from this encyclopedia, it is extremely tempting to go up here under this search box that says search for keywords, authors, titles, and ISBN. Don't do that, because what's going to happen is that's actually a search box for everything that's in this publishing group, Taylor and Francis group. And it's going to search for books, it's going to search for journals, it's not going to find the exact encyclopedia article that you're after. So one of the easiest ways to do this is just simply to scroll down until you see the beginning of the table of contents. And from this point, this is just exactly like a print encyclopedia. You basically are just searching in alphabetical order by the title of the article that you've been assigned to look for. So if I were to browse on my arrow keys, you see that I'm browsing alphabetically. And essentially all that I would want to do is just keep browsing until I happen to find the title of the article that I've been assigned to look at. So let's say that for a SLIM class, I've been assigned to look at this article by Howard D. White that's called Citation Analysis. So you see I had to keep browsing through the table of contents until I found the article. At this point, I can just click on the download button, which will now change the PDF. And I don't want to download multiple files in this case. If I get a message that says download blocked, I can always clear this. And down here at the bottom of the screen, I can click on my PDF download, and there's the article. And that's basically all that I need to do to find an article in the Encyclopedia of Library and Information Sciences. I can now read this article online. I could save it to my computer. I could print it out. But that's really all that needs to be done for this. So again, start with the Databases tab. Look for the Encyclopedia of Library and Information Sciences under the letter E. Click on that. Log in with your Buzz-in username and password if you're prompted. And then from that point, simply go to the contents and use these navigation arrow keys back and forth until you find the title of the article in alphabetical order and click on the download button. If you need any other help with this, always contact me at ckane1@emporia.edu, or you can call me at 620-341-5480. Good luck. Thank you.